Hey me lovelies, so I have just come across this excellent AI photo caption tool because basically as you can see, these patterns above I've created using AI generator, but I've not created a title or a caption to go with each of these patterns. And I was thinking, okay, there must be an AI like photo generator where you can just upload a photo and it will generate a few different names that you can use or tweak a little bit. And so I have found it. So go over to whichever search engine you use. I'm using Google, and type in this name. Pause the video if needed, and then it will take you over to the site where you select the image that you want to create a name for. So I've selected this photo just as an example to show that you can use any photo, and you can also add additional information in the description area. Then you can select what style that you want. I just stuck with formal, and then press the generate names and watch it work. It's magic. And as you can see, here are 3 names it has come up with that I could choose from or tweak myself. So again, go over to this website where you can create any name for a product or just a photo in general, or if you do photography. This site is a great one to use.